25, a fierce wind blew across the land. It tore, it struck, leaving none to stand. It shattered homes, destroyed each place, and took so many to heaven's embrace. 1906, a raging storm came pouring down. It swept through every Hmong village and town. The Hmong fled to hills and highlands steep. Even in forests there was no relief. Winds grew wide though the rains came strong. Hmong lives were lost in chaos and wrong. Each had only themselves to survive. Blame and sorrow spread far and wide. When thunder roared and storms had passed, the Hmong had no guide, no anchor to last. How could they restore what was torn apart? Each Hmong heart still heavy with pain and heartache. Winds grew wild, the rains came strong. Hmong lives were lost in chaos and wrong. Each had only themselves to survive. Blame and sorrow spread far and wide. When thunder roared and storms had passed fast, the Hmong had no guide, no anchor to last. How could they restore what was torn apart? Each Hmong heart still heavy with pain and heartache.